Hey, sports fans, fans of Bistro Henry, fans of Adventures with Henry. How you doing today? This is a quick live. It's another view of the loading dock that we don't have that often. It's cleaning day because we need to clean the place. You know, restaurants are notorious. Our restaurant is notorious for being clean and extra clean because we're giving it a super clean. Anyway, here's parts. Here's stuff. Power washer, mats, shelves from inside the walk-in, little speed rack. Beautiful day on the loading dock. Remember what it looked like the other day? Well, this is kind of the bummer phase of, in between season stuff. But it is what it is. I just wanted to pop on here and say hello. Hey Tara, what's up? I know it's just going to be a quick one because I got to fire this thing back up. The only reason I did this live is because I ran out of gas in the power washer, so I figured I'd fill the tank. I got guys inside ripping and tearing in the kitchen. It's a beautiful thing. The kitchen is going to be spiffed and cleaned and ready for the coming summer. New menu. Hey Mark, Henry P, what's up, brother? You're probably still in Florida. I hope. Because it's definitely not motorcycle weather. We've definitely not achieved the 40-degree rule. And unfortunately, here I am doing what I got to do to spiff this Bistro Henry kitchen up. Instead of skiing. I think the mountain might have closed too on us anyway. God only knows. Anyway, Tara, what's happening, girl? Thank you. Thank you for jumping on. Anyway, just had an egg sandwich and gonna fire up the power washer and continue cleaning this thing. It's Adventures with Henry, cleaning phase. You got to do it. And me being a leader of the team, I got to get the boots. I got to get the whole thing. Because man, when you power wash in this nonsense, you get soaked. And as a leader, I believe it's always appropriate to get shot at, just like the rest of the guys. And don't get me wrong, I've ducked out on the cleaning a couple times myself when I've booked a vacation at the proper time. This time I've failed at such a thing. But leadership means you got to do it. What does that say? No worries, Mark. We got time. Life's great. Hey, Mark. Hey, Sean. Don't worry, Mark Anthony. We got this thing. It's all good. You're doing what you got to do. As am I. I'm gonna duck off here in a second. I mean, I'm really happy you guys jump on Adventures with Henry Lives. Make sure you turn on notifications so you get them. Because I'll always do something foolish or funny. Right now, I'm not going to step off the loading dock, and I'm not going to do anything real crazy. I'm going to fire up the power washer. I'll give you guys another, not drop the phone, another view of this lovely spot that I live in. It's pretty cool. Best view off a loading dock ever. See, dumpsters, but solar panels. Anyway, leader leads, leader does it, leader gets it done. Leader's an example to the team. Team's inside doing it to it. They declined to be participating today, which in the live that is, so that's their choice. I always give them that option. We can't do it all by ourselves. That's why I love building a team. I love having a team, and I love leading a team. It's a beautiful thing. But in the meanwhile, I got to stop jabbering and get this adventure going, fire up the power washer, and clean, because clean is good. Thank you. I love you all. Welcome to Adventures with Henry. I hope we see you soon. Turn on those notifications. Like, share, comment. Love you all. See you later. Bye-bye.